So we're gonna be making use of banana. Now banana is a friendly ingredient on the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It contains vitamin C and A, which helps to smooth out the skin. It also helps to nourish the skin. Okay, then we're going to be putting a little bit of Colgate toothpaste. Now this is going to leave the minty flavor on the skin. As such, it helps to glow and polish up the skin. And then we're going to be putting in a little bit of castor oil. Now this remedy works so well in nourishing the skin. It helps to leave the skin glowing, and it also makes your skin super duper polished because it helps to increase the texture of the skin. And we're going to be making use of vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule is a natural remedy for the skin. It works wonders in removing the skin blemishes. It helps to retain moisture onto the skin, and it also removes stretch marks, dark spots and wrinkles. Okay, so for this, guys, we're going to use a little bit of the banana. Or I can even make this much so I can actually store it. So just going to blend it because I'm not going to be mashing it. Okay, it's going to take too much time to mash. I'm just going to blend it so it's going to be super duper smooth. And yeah, we have the banana. So I'm going to turn the banana into the bowl. Alright, so you can see properly blended, and this is how I like it. So now put in a little bit of paste. Then I'm going to pour in a little bit of castor oil, about half teaspoon of castor oil. To make that even better, I will put in 1 capsule of vitamin E. And now the oil is set, so we're going to stir and mix this all up. Alright guys, so this consistency is actually too thick, so is it I'm gonna put in a little bit of water, or I'm going to put in a little bit of lemon. So for this, I'm going to put in a little bit of water. Okay, and then stir so that the consistency will be friendly enough to apply on the face. Alright, so now the consistency is perfect. You can see, very friendly. Alright, so here is the banana and a little bit of paste, and what you do is to get a brush and then you apply it onto your face. That is so duper duper soft. I'm actually going to be using my hand this time. So you have to apply this generously. Onto your face. You can also apply it on your neck. Alright, so after applying it, you have to leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Now this is actually going to help to sink into your skin. Then you can, just give it a little massage. And you give it a little massage. Alright, so after the massage, then you can actually wash it off with a lukewarm water or a very cool water. You can actually use cool water or lukewarm water. Anyone is going to be perfect, okay?